Potential for severe weather. Break it down for you. Elevated risks of damaging winds and some large hail. That could be 1 inch, maybe bigger, and an isolated chance of a tornado also. Warning currently in effect. That runs until 6 o'clock this evening. So we'll take you right over to our Skywarn radar. And let me just take it back up here and we'll zoom it right on into Vilas County. Now the warning, as we mentioned here, it runs until 6 o'clock for this evening. Now the strongest cluster of thunderstorms at this point near Boulder Junction and just off to the north of Lac du Flambeau. This is tracking generally off toward the south and east in nature. So and thunderstorms are working across parts of the area right now. As we mentioned here in central Wisconsin, just some run-of-the-mill showers and embedded thunderstorms near Antigo. Also watching some storms back here to the west, just outside our viewing area in the Chippewa Valley. But we do have our severe thunderstorm warning is in Vilas County. This continues until 6 o'clock for this evening, as we do have the potential of storms that could be producing some hail up to 1 inch in diameter and also some winds that could be up to about 60 miles per hour in speed. So once again, we'll do a storm track here on this line of activity as it's continuing the track generally off to the south and east. Looks like we just have another warning issued here. So let me show you that storm track and then we'll get the information on the warning. So here's the timeline on the storms that are now in Vilas County. Sainer at 5:45, Conover at 5:47, St. Germain by 5:55, 6 o'clock into Eagle River, affecting about 3,200 folks. Now let me get the warning or get this track information here off the screen for you. We have a new severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect now for portions of southern Vilas County and Oneida County, and this runs until 6:30 for this evening on the same line of thunderstorms that's now affecting a good portion of Vilas County. Again, these storms are tracking off toward the south and east in nature at about 30 to 35 miles per hour in speed. In addition to the heavy downpours that we mentioned that could be accompanying this and hail up to 1 inch, you may also have some wind gusts that approach 60 miles per hour in speed. Now, with that said, let's show you the one storm report we have here so far here with these thunderstorms. That was just near Boulder Junction. This is from a storm spotter just about 5:30. 1 inch diameter hail indicated with this report as the storms were going on by. So a little bit of billowing out here to the south and east of Boulder Junction. That's where we could have perhaps some of the gustier winds and certainly potential within this entire line of maybe a little bit of hail that's approaching 1 inch in diameter. So we have a breakdown of some of those storm reports and included some quarter-sized hail in Boulder Junction, as well as down trees in Lac du Flambeau, Pine Lake, 3/4 inch hail, penny size, and Rhinelander lost some street flooding for a time as they picked up 1.25 inches of rainfall there, and also in Lac du Flambeau and Hickson Lake, some down trees